Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I am your host and I am excited to have you join me on this English language journey. Whether you are aiming to boost your fluency, improve your grammar or simply become a more confident English speaker, you are in the right place. Today's video is all about boosting your confidence in spoken English, expanding your vocabulary and mastering those everyday phrases that makes conversation a breeze. So if you are ready to take your skills to the next level, hit that like button, subscribe and let's get started. First word बहस debate debate निर्भर depend depend खतरा danger danger क्षतिग्रस्त damaged damaged श्रेय credit credit महंगा costly costly पसंद choice choice परिवर्तन change change चमकदार bright bright बनना become become लेखक author author सहायता देना assist assist पहुंच गए arrived arrived चारों ओर around around जहां कहीं भी wherever wherever ढूंढना look for इसी वक्त right now right now moving to the next word सुझाव suggestion suggestion सफल होना succeed succeed अकेला lonely lonely शायद probably probably अवसर opportunity opportunity क्योंकि because दबाव pressure pressure विकास development development तकनीक technology technology. Alright, that's for today's video. For now, keep practicing, keep learning, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more lessons, and hit the notification bell so you will stay updated. Until next time, happy learning and expressing.